Welcome to this new video. This week, we are going to show you how to migrate your OneDrives from Microsoft 365 to Google Drive. We will go through each step, but make sure you have the user guide nearby. We are going to show you how to configure the migration and run it. First, log in and enter your migration project. After you have logged in on the Cloudiway portal and entered your project, on the left side, click on Connectors and click on Create a Microsoft 365 connector. Select Source as direction and select File for Migration Product. Give your connector a name. Click Next. For this tutorial, we are going to use the automatic mode. You can use the expert mode if you want to manually create your connector. For simplicity, we're not going to use the expert mode in this video. However, more details are available in the user guide. In this screen, enter a migration account and password. It does not have to be administrator. Next, click on Grant Admin Consent. It will install an Entra ID application in your tenant. You will be prompted to enter a global admin account. It is only necessary for installing the Entra ID application and will not be used during the migration process. Now let's create the Google Workspace connector. Click on Create a Google Workspace connector. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Cloudiway service account. You can use the expert mode if you want to create your own service account. For simplicity, we're not going to use the expert mode in this video. However, more details are available in the user guide. In this screen, enter a migration account. Password, phone number, and favorite logon location are not used for this scenario. Enter the domain names used by your Google tenant. Click Next, then Complete. Now that our connectors are created, let's migrate a user. The first step is to run a discovery in order to populate the user list. For this, let's first navigate to File, then User List, and let's run a GetList job. Select the Microsoft 365 connector for source. Select the Google Workspace connector for target. Select Google Drive for target recipient. This will connect to the source and retrieve all the users. Once done, let's pick up one user and migrate him. We need to edit the user and enter his correct target email address. Note that the platform is not provisioning the user. It has to exist in the target and have a valid license. Once done, let's migrate him and come back later, once it's completed. Good news, the migration is completed. We can see the statistics of the migration in the user details. We can also see a consolidated view of the statistics in the global dashboard. Thank you for watching and check out our other migration guides.